Welcome to today's episode of our health podcast, where we dive deep into some essential topics for your well-being. Today, we're going to discuss two crucial subjects: non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus and the often overlooked mineral magnesium. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's get started. First up, let's talk about diabetes, specifically non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, which is a complex metabolic disorder affecting millions around the globe. Now, why is it called non-insulin dependent? Well, this form of diabetes, also known as type 2 diabetes, typically doesn't require insulin injections for management initially. Instead, it revolves around the body's ability to use insulin effectively. At the heart of this disorder are some significant biochemical abnormalities. You see, in individuals with this condition, the liver produces more glucose than it should, while the body struggles to utilize this glucose. This imbalance is further complicated by a decrease in beta cell function. These are the cells in the pancreas that produce insulin, and an increase in glucagon secretion, which raises blood sugar levels. Now let's talk about insulin resistance. This condition can actually begin during the pre-diabetic state, often unnoticed. When someone becomes hyperglycemic, meaning they have high blood sugar levels, this worsens their ability to secrete insulin and utilize glucose effectively. It's a vicious cycle that complicates management. One key factor in this process is the activity of insulin receptors. In diabetic individuals, the autophosphorylation kinase activity of these receptors is often compromised. This decreased activity is directly linked to fasting hyperglycemia, making it harder for the body to maintain normal glucose levels. So what does this mean for treatment? Well, researchers have found that by reducing hyperglycemia, we can normalize the defects in insulin receptor activity. This insight opens the door to potential new treatments, showcasing the importance of understanding these underlying mechanisms. Now that we've discussed diabetes, let's switch gears and talk about magnesium. Did you know that magnesium is one of the 7 essential macrominerals? It plays a vital role in keeping our bodies healthy and functioning properly. Magnesium is involved in over 600 enzymatic reactions. It supports muscle and nerve function, helps transport essential minerals throughout the body, and is crucial for energy production. In fact, it even helps increase GABA, a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation and reduces stress. Talk about a powerhouse. This incredible mineral also acts as an electrolyte, maintaining our fluid balance and assisting in the creation of protein, bone, and DNA. With magnesium being the second most abundant intracellular cation, it's clear that we need to pay attention to our magnesium intake. However, many people might not realize that certain pharmaceutical drugs can deplete magnesium levels. Medications like oral contraceptives, antibiotics, cortisone, prednisone, and even some blood pressure medications can lead to lower magnesium levels in the body. It's something worth discussing with your healthcare provider, especially if you're on medication and concerned about your magnesium intake. So where can you find this essential mineral? One rich source is organic pumpkin seeds. They're not only delicious, but also a fantastic way to boost your magnesium levels naturally. In conclusion, understanding the complexities of diabetes and the importance of magnesium can empower us to take better control of our health. Whether it's through lifestyle changes or being mindful of our nutrient intake, every little bit helps. Thank you for tuning in today. We hope you found this episode informative and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more health insights and tips. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.